So guys, check this out. Oh, there you go. Broken LCD and glass on a no, this is a CTE, I'm sorry. ZTE ZMAX Pro 2. It's a phone with Metro PCS. So we're gonna go get down to business here and repair this fellow ZTE ZMAX Pro. Check it out. Alright, we already removed our back shield here, and we have a small flex cable being held down by a small shield. Our flex cable is removed. It is extremely important you use plastic tools and not metal tools when you're removing flex cables. You don't want to damage your phone. Removing any other flex cables, always remove your battery to avoid any bad circulation in your device. Yeah. We will remove the motherboard and our charger port. Now we're going to add some heat here to our screen to remove the battery. Our battery was removed, and we removed the LCD and display assembly from the frame. We're going to apply our new LCD and digitalizer onto. There you guys have it. ZTE ZMAX. Brand new assembly. Just need to install the rest of the things. This was just a small video for the ZTE ZMAX Pro. We'll have a lot more information about these later.